Hello everyone. Today we are going to see basic important questions of nervous system. 1. Which of the following structures forms the blood-brain barrier? A. Astrocytes, B. Microglia, C. Oligodendrocytes, D. Ependymal cells. Answer: A. Astrocytes. 2. Which cranial nerve has the longest intracranial course? A. Optic nerve, B. Trochlear nerve, C. Facial nerve, D. Abducens nerve. Answer: D. Abducens nerve. 3. The neurotransmitter primarily involved in Parkinson's disease is A. Dopamine, B. Serotonin, C. GABA, D. Glutamate. Answer: A. Dopamine. 4. Which artery is most commonly involved in epidural hematoma? A. Middle cerebral artery, B. Anterior cerebral artery, C. Middle meningeal artery, D. Basilar artery. Answer: C. Middle meningeal artery. 5. Which cranial nerve is purely motor? A. Trigeminal, B. Facial, C. Oculomotor, D. Vagus. Answer: C. Oculomotor. 6. Wernicke's area is responsible for A. Speech production, B. Language comprehension, C. Motor control, D. Vision. Answer: B. Language comprehension. 7. The cerebellum is primarily responsible for A. Memory, B. Coordination, C. Emotion, D. Vision. Answer: B. Coordination. 8. Which of the following is a feature of upper motor neuron lesion? A. Hypertonia, B. Hyperreflexia, C. Muscle atrophy, D. Fasciculations. Answer: B. Hyperreflexia. 9. The lateral ventricles communicate with the third ventricle via A. Foramen of Magendie, B. Cerebral aqueduct, C. Foramen of Monroe, D. Foramen of Luschka. Answer: C. Foramen of Monroe. 10. Which cranial nerve controls lateral eye movement? A. Oculomotor, B. Trochlear, C. Abducens, D. Optic. Answer: C. Abducens. 11. Which lobe of the brain is responsible for vision? A. Frontal, B. Temporal, C. Parietal, D. Occipital. Answer: D. Occipital. 12. The primary motor cortex is located in A. Precentral gyrus, B. Postcentral gyrus, C. Angular gyrus, D. Cingulate gyrus. Answer: A. Precentral gyrus. 13. Which neurotransmitter is excitatory in the CNS? A. GABA, B. Glycine, C. Glutamate, D. Dopamine. Answer: C. Glutamate. 14. Which structure connects the two cerebral hemispheres? A. Thalamus, B. Corpus callosum, C. Hypothalamus, D. Cerebellum. Answer: B. Corpus callosum. 15. The stretch reflex is an example of A. Monosynaptic reflex, B. Polysynaptic reflex, C. Conditioned reflex, D. Visceral reflex. Answer: A. Monosynaptic reflex. 16. Which cranial nerve is responsible for hearing? A. CN7, B. CN8, sensory, CNIX, D. CNX. Answer: B. CN8. 17. Which cells produce myelin in the CNS? A. Schwann cells, B. Astrocytes, C. Oligodendrocytes, D. Microglia. Answer: C. Oligodendrocytes. 18. Which part of the brain controls respiration? A. Cerebrum, B. Medulla oblongata, C. Cerebellum, D. Thalamus. Answer: B. Medulla oblongata. 19. Which spinal cord level corresponds to the umbilicus? A. T6, B. T8, C. T10, D. T12. Answer: C. T10. 20. Which structure is affected in Huntington's disease? A. Thalamus, B. Basal ganglia, C. Cerebellum, D. Hippocampus. Answer: B. Basal ganglia. 21. The optic chiasma is the site of A. Synapse, B. Crossing of optic nerve fibers, C. CSF production, D. Motor control. Answer: B. Crossing of optic nerve fibers. 22. Which neurotransmitter is decreased in Alzheimer's disease? A. Dopamine, B. Serotonin, C. Acetylcholine, D. GABA. Answer: C. Acetylcholine. 23. Which nerve innervates the diaphragm? A. Vagus nerve, B. Phrenic nerve, C. Intercostal nerve, D. Accessory nerve. Answer: B. Phrenic nerve. 24. Which tract is responsible for voluntary motor movement? A. Spinothalamic, B. Corticospinal, C. Spinocerebellar, D. Vestibulospinal. Answer: B. Corticospinal. 25. Which of the following is a function of the limbic system? A. Motor coordination, B. Emotion and memory, C. Vision, D. Hearing.